Financial Stress Management series. Are you aware of how journaling can significantly reduce financial stress and enhance your self awareness when it comes to managing your finances? Hi, I am your host Jay Pratibha, and today we are diving into a powerful practice that can transform your relationship with your money. Journaling for financial stress relief and self awareness. First of all, let's understand journaling. Journaling is more than just putting pen to paper. It's a journey of self-discovery. It involves writing about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Let's delve into why journaling can be a game changer for your financial well-being. Journaling can be a powerful tool for releasing the emotional weight of financial stress. By putting your thoughts on paper, you create space in your mind for clarity and relief. Now, let's see the relation between self awareness and journaling. Self awareness is the key to understanding your money mindset and habits. Journaling can help you identify patterns, triggers, and emotions related to your finances, enabling you to make more conscious choices. Now, we will explore prompts to help you get started and sustain your journaling practice for financial stress relief and self awareness. Journal prompts are questions, suggestions, or ideas that can help inspire you to write in your journal. In other words, journaling prompts can be specific questions or statements that encourage you to reflect on a particular topic, theme, or aspect of your life. Here are some tips for successful journaling. Make it daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Write freely and honestly. There is no judgment here. And the last one is reflect on your entries periodically to track your progress. Your action tip for today is to start journaling. Find a quiet space, grab a notebook, and write about your financial stresses and any related emotions. Don't hold back, let it all out. This practice will help you begin your journey to financial stress relief and self awareness. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Start your journaling journey today and see the positive impact it can have on your financial well being. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the power of journaling for financial stress relief and self awareness. Remember that every word you write is a step towards financial peace. Embrace the journey, and you will be amazed at the transformation it brings. See you in the next episode of our financial stress management series. So take care, more power to you.